All right, now.
Oh, now it's recording. All right. Welcome, everybody, and thanks for hopping by to watch us live today. So my name is 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐈, and I am with this amazing system that we're going to talk to you guys about today. So we gather around today every Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Because we want to go live and hang out and just to talk about and show you guys that how you can become your own boss. So, today I have a pleasure of interviewing 𝐸𝐸𝐲 Turnipseed. So, she is a teacher and she is able to generate amazing results online. She is killing it. So she's going to tell us a little bit about her story today and share us, her journey, and go ahead.
All right. So I'll actually start by just sharing my story. So I teach during the day, but as you know, teachers don't get paid that much money. We don't. And I was looking for a way to supplement my income. I had done some other network marketing, online. And had degrees of success, but not the consistent success that I was looking for. I'm talking about, I wanted to open up my inbox every day and have sales and money in my inbox. That's what I wanted, consistent sales so that I could build my income and begin to see progress and be financially free. And that's what I wanted, right? And I found that with Ad Copy Pros. And in such a short period of time too. If you look at, my progress, it's happened in such a condensed short period of time. I love the system. It's a simple copy and paste system. It's duplicatable. It's in demand, especially among people who, are newbies online. It's in demand for online marketers who need a marketing system and also an instant pay program. It's just been amazing. And to be able to just have the consistent results that I've been able to find with this system, it's amazing. I love opening up my PayPal and every day I just see that number just going up and up and I'm like, oh shoot.
It's increasing daily. You're killing it. Yeah. You're doing an amazing job.
I'm always screenshotting like my PayPal and posting it, and I have a private group with Erna and Tiara, and I'm like, look girls, like we celebrate each other, but it's just been amazing. And a lot of it has to do with the team environment that we've created. It has a lot to do with the ease of the system, and it has a lot to do with how in demand this is. There's a lot of things, and also our training is like top notch, like, and it's duplicatable. So that's awesome.
Yes, definitely it is. And we have the blueprint, and it is very simple to follow. Now, Shinta, tell us, what was the life before Ad Copy Pros? Like, how has the system benefited you?
So like I kind of hinted to that a little bit in my kind of testimony a little bit. Like I said, as an online marketer, you want a program that is simple. You want a program that's simple. You want a program where you can have, I'm hearing some feedback. Hold on one second. Okay, done. All right. You want a system that's simple. You want a system where the commission structure is such that you can build. Last week, okay, I had a $750 a week. And then this week, I think you guys saw that on, what day was that? The 9th. I don't know what the 9th was. Tuesday or something? Monday, maybe? I think it was Monday. Yes, so I was saying Monday. Okay. So,
girl, you're making money every day, so yeah, no. I don't even keep a track.
Monday, I had a $350 day. And it's because this program is leveraged in a way where I can make $25 commissions. I can make, I can make $125 commissions, and it's leveraged that way. And it's awesome because you're able to attract people at every price point. You're able to help everybody at every price point who needs to make money. And this system has positioned me to win. And, I'm not big on hype, like I just want a program that helps me pay my damn bills. And that's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Simple and easy. It's a newbie friendly program. So,
Yeah.
all right. So now, what is it that you love most about ACP?
Well, the instant pay. I love, like I said, I don't have, with a lot of like online marketing, what do you call it? Online marketing, network marketing companies, you have to wait till a certain day. You got to wait till Wednesday. You got to wait till Friday. Every single freaking day in my PayPal, I can get paid. It is just, that's just amazing to like know that. Like now I'm like, oh, wait a minute. So I'm like, I basically got a bank where every day I can have deposits going into my bank and I could cash out when I want to. I don't have to wait on somebody. Like it really puts you in control of your income, and this money really has allowed me to do some other things. So I can take that money, like I already talked about, I don't work during the summer. Okay. Like once we get to the end of June, that's it. July and August, I don't have any income, right? But I'm able to build an income and pay my bills up, in advance, because I know that I'm not going to be working during the summer. And now I don't have to worry. Like now that I know that this system works and that I'm seeing the consistency of the commissions coming, I'm not worried. I'm not in any way worried at all, I forget what the second part of your question was.
Oh, that was it. What do you love most about ACP? The last question that I definitely want to ask you is, what is your advice that you want to give somebody that's wanting to join our Boss Babe tribe and they want to start making money? Like, what is the advice that you're going to give them?
What advice would I give to them? Let me think about that. My advice would be to not procrastinate. I see a lot of people, they're on the fence. It's a $35 investment to get started. You cannot make money for that with, I would like anything and make the commissions that we can make even at the, you know what I'm saying? Like it's $35, y'all. And I see a lot of people waste time not making money trying to convince themselves to spend $35. I'm like, girl, I know you went to Applebee's and got a martini and some French fries and a burger for more than $35. Like, come on now. This don't sleep on this opportunity to change your finances. Especially because what is happening in our specific team in our Boss Babe tribe, or boss. When we renamed it because we get so many dudes. We renamed it
the Boss Empire. There you go.
But in our tribe in particular, there's so many great things happening right now. We have a duplicatable training that we've launched in our Boss Empire, and we're doing, we have the daily 6, which are the steps to success that you need to do every day to master learning how to market, but also how to get sales on a consistent basis. And people who are following the blueprint, they are winning. Matter of fact, Erna, did you get a sale today?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, girl. See, that's what I'm talking about.
Yes. And you guys, I'm only doing this part-time. I'm not even out there like advertising. It's very simple. The daily 6, blueprint that we have, it's already done for you. You just have to pay that $35. You go out, spend $35 on silly things that you don't really need.
That don't make you no money.
Yes, invest in yourself, and it's $35.
Yes, it was. I'll be honest. Like, I wish I had this program a while back. I do. I wish I had it a while back because, but then you know what? I shouldn't say that because the universe gives you what you need when you're ready for it. I don't think I was mentally ready yet for it. But, when I made a decision that I didn't want my economy and my finances to look the way they did, then the universe presented a solution to me. And that solution was Ad Copy Pros. And I was ready for it. And I took it and I ran with it. And I'm beasting it out. And I'm teaching other people how to do the same thing, that are ready, that are willing to put in the time, the commitment, and to follow our simple blueprint. You can do this too.
Yes, definitely. So thank you so much for sharing your personal testimony. And I hope everybody that's listening understands that if a teacher can make money online and she can make extra income. Even when she's at work and she's teaching, kids, if she can make money, so can you. And so like everybody else. So definitely. Now I just want to say a little bit about 𝐸𝐷𝐾𝐜 Pros and, what it is all about. Shinta, you know the system best. Do you want to go ahead and take over and just let them know what the system is about?
Sure. I love talking about this system because it's simple. It's a copy and paste system. What we do basically is we copy and paste ads on social media. Okay, that's what we do. Those ads then generate sales for us. Okay. The program is extremely newbie friendly. So if you're new, you can get plugged into this. This is a good program for people who want to learn how to market online. If you're like, you know what, I want to be an online marketer and I want to like beast it out, start with this program because it's going to teach you the fundamentals, at least, especially with our tribe. You're going to learn the fundamentals of online marketing. Okay.
You're going to learn more than that. You're going to
learn today
with us.
Yeah. So you're going to learn it. You're going to master it. And then that's when you make money. That's when you make bank, when you take not even just learning, you master it, apply it, and take action, right? So anyways, it's a copy and paste program. It's simple. It's newbie friendly, okay? It's instant pay program. Again, I already talked about it. You don't have to wait to get paid. You can get paid every day to your PayPal, okay? The commission structure is simple. You can get $25 to $125 commissions, okay? That's it. $25 to $125 commissions. That is amazing, okay? And you have the opportunity if you choose to upgrade. So, to get started, it's only $35 one time. You never have to pay it again. There's no monthly fees. There's no auto ships, nothing like that. To me, that's a game changer right there. A lot of programs, you're paying money every month, for a system. You're paying money every month for an auto ship. You're paying money every month. I could keep going, right? But you're in profit mode from your very first sale with this system. So again, it's $35 one time. If you chose to upgrade to the $100 level, then you would get $125 commissions, or be eligible to get $125 commissions. And that's the game changer. Like that Monday when I had $375 in sales in one day, that was because I'm positioned at the $125 level. And I'm telling you, online marketers been looking for this. I can't keep them out of my inbox. So, online marketers are looking for as well, just like newbies are. They're looking for something that's simple to put on the front end. So, yeah.
Thanks. All right. So, that is it. Everyone, do you want to say anything else, Shin?
Don't overcomplicate. I say this in every, video that we do, that this is not rocket science,
Yes.
Get yourself off the fence, take action, know that we are an awesome team. We support.
We are the best team out there. Yeah. Let me tell you that. We are the best team out there. So, Boss Babe Tribe, or Boss Empire, you want to call it. We are the best because we have the blueprint. So
wait, before we get off the call, Savella, did you want to say anything? I didn't mean to call you out like that. No, fine. Okay. What about Tiara? Wait, let me unmute her. Tiara.
Where's she at?
I can't unmute her. Hold on one second. Her mute button is not unmuted. Ooh. Hold on. Okay, Tiara, are you? No, she's not unmuted. Hold on one second. Can you unmute Tiara? It's not letting me unmute her for some reason.
Can you unmute yourself, Tiara? I think you can,
she
right?
can't unmute herself. One of us have to unmute her.
No, don't allow me.
That's weird. All right, I'm moving on. But no, I take action. When you partner with us, just know that you have support. That's the other question that a lot of people have is, will I have support? Yes, when you join our tribe, you will have support. Okay. Now we're not gonna hold your hand, no, because we're gonna teach you how to walk. But we will give you support. We give you a training. It's just amazing the movement that we've created and changing people's economy with instant pay. Instant pay is the way to go.
Yeah, it is, definitely it is.
Mm-hmm.
I know so many people are, they like the instant pay. Like you said, monthly payments. I don't like that. I know most people don't like monthly payments.
Mm-mm.
This is instant pay program. It goes straight directly to your PayPal account. And, it's just a simple program that a newbie can definitely learn. As long as you are, you're going to take those blueprint that we're going to give it to you. We're giving it to you. It's all written down. You're going to take it and you're going to master it daily. You are going to make extra money from home.
Mm-hmm.
If we can do it, if Shinta can do it, all these people on here that they can do in our team, so definitely you can, or I don't know how to say it, but you guys get the point. So, all right. So anything else? I don't know how to unmute here. I don't know.
I can't unmute her, but I wanted to thank everyone who did hop on here today to learn about what we're doing and how we're doing it. What I want you to do is, get back to whoever invited you on this call. Get back to them and take advantage of this opportunity. I'm grateful for the person that introduced me to this company. I'm grateful to her all the time because if I had just glanced by and said, oh, nah, that's just another one just like them other, whatever, I would have missed one of the best opportunities for myself. So this has just been a blessing for me. And I want everyone to experience what I'm experiencing. I'm just filled with so much gratitude for this program and for how it's changing my economy and people around me. So I want you to take action and change your economy. That's it,
All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching us. Again, we're doing this every Wednesday, Boss Babe Wednesdays. That's what we're calling this. It's a live hangout. You can always invite your friends, your prospects, people that want to learn more about how they can make money from home. 8:00 p.m.
Eastern Standard Time.
Eastern. All right, y'all.
Bye, guys.